Is it really possible to start your online business in 3 days? Well, let's find out. Before we get into that, welcome to my channel. My name is Elias. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe down below. Now, today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing online business and can it really be started in 3 days. We're going to be reviewing what is called the 3-Day Business Builder Challenge by Jonathan Montoya and see if it's really worth it and if it's something you can actually do and build your very online business in 3 days. So let's get right into it.
What exactly is the 3-day challenge and who is Jonathan Montoya? Well, I'm here to tell you who he is and what exactly his challenge is and if it's beneficial for you, the goods and the bads. He was able to leave his 9-to-5 job, which made him about 80 grand a year in a matter of 9 months by starting his online business in the high ticket affiliate marketing. And then what he did is he, provided a course, a program in 3 days that shows you step by step how to build your business and how you can essentially take it step by step, exactly how he did. He's also a 6-figure internet entrepreneur. And as you can see, he's founder of Passive Income Lifestyle. So let's get right into it and let's see what exactly his 3-day challenge is about. As you can see, once you log in and create an account, his 3-day challenge is, as you can see, a full 3-day challenge. The first video is a 37-minute video that takes you step by step of how you can make daily commissions online. This is really the foundation of affiliate marketing. What exactly affiliate marketing is, how it works, and how you can make it profitable and how it can work for you. And how, it also shares his story and how he was able to quit his 9-to-5 job in just under 9 months and how he was able to do it. Nothing too crazy about day one. Like I said, day one really is the foundation of the business, foundation of affiliate marketing, what exactly it is, how it works. Day 2 is when the magic happens. Let's build your business in under 30 minutes. This video is 38 minutes long, and it essentially takes you step by step of how you can build your business. Takes you step by step of how you can use ClickFunnels, how to set up ClickFunnels. Also takes you step by step of how you can use GetResponse as well. As you can see here, GetResponse, also ClickFunnels, and then also he has an amazing Facebook group that you can join to get motivation, ask questions, everything like that. So this is the crucial part of this challenge, of this 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Is day 2. Day 2 teaches you the fundamentals, the technicalities of the business, of how you can build everything, how you can get started and get going from there. Now day 3 is, as you can see, is traffic. Getting traffic, customers to your proven automated system is really the crucial part of the business, right? We talked about this in my videos before, and he goes over this for a full hour of what is the best ways to get traffic to your funnel and get essentially commissions going on a daily basis. He talks about several options, talks about TikTok, talks about Facebook, talks about all the social platforms of how you can go on and drive traffic to your business or to your funnel. This is really the crucial part.
Now that you're learning what exactly the 3-day business is, I want to make a special offer to you. If you're interested in getting enrolled into the 3-day business builder challenge, make sure you use the link in my description to get a special bonus, which I'll discuss at the very end of the video, but you don't want to miss out. So if you do want to get started, make sure you hit that link in the description.
1 talks about the foundation of the business. Day 2 talks about building the business, building the foundation, building your tools, and day 3 talks about the important part, right? Traffic, getting your customers to your proven automated system. You also get some awesome bonuses as well. If you join, you get also his very own ebook that you can provide as a lead magnet. Also, he invites you to become an affiliate for his program, which is awesome. The affiliate program does provide 50% commission on his Century program, so it's really good. So what is the goods and the bads about this? The 3-day business builder, the 3-day business breakthrough challenge is an awesome starting point. It teaches you everything about affiliate marketing in regards to high ticket, once again, softwares and courses. It teaches you how to, how to build your business, teaches you what exactly affiliate marketing is, teaches you how you can build a funnel in your autoresponder, and then teaches you how to drive traffic. It does focus just on essentially on high, ticket digital products and stuff like courses, right? Also, another good thing, it gives you some bonuses, right? It gives you a bonus to their ebook and to the white label funnel. It also invites you to become an affiliate with them with a really good 50% commission. Another good is it's only $7. For the price of $7, this program will get you starting from point A to point Z and get your business running. That's like a price of a Starbucks coffee, right, guys? So for $7, it's an amazing program. Get you 3 days of jam-packed action. Another thing is you can access all 3 days. If you want to binge watch all 3 videos and get it going in a single day, you're able to do that. As soon as you log in, you have access to all the 4 days as well. Now, obviously, we want to talk about some bads, right? Not everything is good. One thing, this is me nitpicking, right? Nitpicking the course, nitpicking the program, exactly, what it is. So once again, I discussed this, right? It talks about high ticket, digital products. For the program, it doesn't really go over affiliate marketing in as a whole. What other, how you can find other products outside of ClickBank, outside of JV Zoo and affiliate networks. How you can search them yourself, apply for programs, or how you can utilize them to other digital or physical products. It does not go over that. It focuses on high ticket digital products. Sign up through my link in the description. I'm also going to send you my specific funnel that you can use and just copy and paste and adjust it to your needs. This is the funnel I exactly use to promote the product, and you can use it as well. So it's just essentially a one click away to copy my system as well. Now, if that's something that's interested to you, make sure you follow up with the link in the bottom and get started with your affiliate marketing business.
Now that you've seen what exactly the 3-day business builder challenge is, you're ready to make a decision. You're ready to see if this is for you. As you can see, you can build your business in 3 days and take it step by step and learn each process. This is doable, and it is an amazing program if you're looking for high ticket affiliate marketing, get it started and want a step by step tutorial. Hopefully this was helpful, and if you'd like to learn more, if you'd like to get started, make sure you hit that link in my description to get started. And also, don't forget to subscribe down below.